Get ready for 1-minute stretching exercises designed to ease back pain. You already know that sitting for long hours while working on a computer or simply binge-watching your favorite TV shows might feel enjoyable, but it doesn't do your body any favors. The area that suffers the most here is your back, and living with back pain can feel like a real nightmare. The good news is that we're about to show you a quick workout made of simple 1-minute exercises that can do wonders for your back. Are you ready to give them a try? It's not just your back that benefits. Regular exercise helps you become healthier, more energized, and maybe even a bit more confident. Stretching exercises are especially helpful for releasing muscle tension and improving flexibility. Let's begin. Exercise 1. Gentle spinal twist. Lie flat on your back with your arms stretched out to the sides and your knees bent.
Good, just like that.
Now slowly drop both knees to one side while turning your head in the opposite direction. Make sure your shoulders stay grounded and do not lift off the floor. Hold this position for around 10 seconds, then switch and repeat on the other side. Let's get started. Your timer begins now. This exercise is excellent for relieving back pain because it stretches and strengthens the muscles in your back. As a bonus, it also activates your abdominal muscles. If you feel a mild stretch in your lower back, don't worry. That means you're doing it correctly. Let's go one more round. Well done. Exercise 2. Knee across body stretch. Now for the second exercise, lie on your back with your legs extended straight on the floor. Bring your right knee up and guide it across toward your left side. Keep your left leg straight and stable. Lift the right knee until you can gently place your right foot near your left knee. At the same time, turn your head to the right without lifting your shoulders. Now switch sides and repeat the same movement with your left knee. It might sound confusing at first, left, right, twist, but once you get into it, it becomes simple. Let's begin. This movement gives your back a deep stretch, while also engaging your abdominal muscles. Just avoid rushing and move at a comfortable pace. Only 30 seconds left. Three, two, one. Excellent. Exercise 3. Cross-body core activation. Lie on your back and lift your legs about 6 inches above the floor. Place your hands behind your head. Now lift your shoulders slightly off the ground. Here comes the coordination part, so pay attention. Bring your right knee toward your chest. Rotate your torso to the right, and try to touch your right knee with your left elbow. Then return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Let's go. No pause, just movement. Try not to let your feet or shoulders drop back to the floor. This is fantastic for your back, and you will definitely feel it working your abs. You're doing great. Almost done. Exercise 4. Cat-cow stretch. Now move into a kneeling position on all fours. Think of yourself as a cat or even a dog if that feels better. Hands should be directly under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Begin by gently dipping your spine. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds, then slowly round your back upward for another 15 to 30 seconds. Move slowly between both positions. This exercise works very well for your back and also supports your core muscles. A light stretch in your lower back means you're doing it right. Time's up. Exercise 5. Bird dog balance stretch. Stay on all fours for this one. Bring your right knee toward your chest, then extend that same leg straight behind you. At the same time, stretch your left arm forward. Return to the starting position and repeat on the opposite side. You've got 1 minute, let's go. Take your time with this exercise. If you rush, it loses effectiveness. Slow and controlled movement works best. You should already feel a nice stretch through your back and core. Let's repeat once more. Great job, on to the next one. Exercise 6. Controlled ab curl lift. Lie down on your back again. Place your hands behind your head, bend your knees, and keep your feet flat on the floor. Inhale deeply, then lift your shoulders and upper torso slowly off the ground. Exhale as you rise. Remember, your hips should stay pressed down. Hold for about 5 seconds, then gently lower yourself back down. Let's repeat. This exercise benefits both your back and abdominal muscles. Doing it regularly can help improve core strength and posture. A bit of tension in the abs is normal. It means it's working. And relax. Exercise 7. Alternating knee pull stretch. For the final exercise, lie on your back with your knees bent and lifted so they're aligned above your hips. Inhale, bring your right knee toward your chest while extending your left leg outward. Hold for about 5 seconds, then return to the starting position. Now switch and repeat with the left knee. Not too difficult, right? Take your time. Feel the stretch in your muscles rather than rushing through it. It's similar to a cycling motion, just without the circular movement. You're almost there. 30 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and you're done. Congratulations, you completed the full routine. Did your heart rate go up a bit? Most likely, yes. Try repeating this workout daily if you want to reduce back pain and stay in better shape. So, let us know in the comments section below what you think or how you deal with back pain. Don't forget to tap the like button and share this video with all your friends so they can benefit too. You can also explore more fitness-related and entertaining videos on our channel, so make sure you hit subscribe and stay connected with us.